Struggling to customize existing components in your model? Stop, rebuild from scratch. In this video, we are level up editing and existing building design step by step. You will learn how to edit loaded families without breaking your model and stunning new architecture details, and redesign stairs for maximum aesthetic impact without wasting any time. Let's dive in. Now we will click on level 1. Just zoom here. Now we need to edit this countertop. Just click on it, then edit family. But how can you edit without any sizes here? So we will go back on level 1. Just take measurement and then we will edit the countertop. Just check their measurements. Click here and check this one. It's 5.5 inches here. Click here and click here. It's 6 inches. Please note here 1 feet and 3 inches. 3 feet and 3 inches. So let's we start now. Just click on 3D here. Now we will use wide forms, wide extrusion here. Just click on wide extrusion. Now we'll set the plan, pick a plan and choose its top surface. Just click here. Now top, click on top, and now we will take a rectangle shape. Just click here. Let me adjust its sizes now. First click here and it's 1 feet and 3 inches as we required, so it's okay. It's 3 feet and 3 inches, 3 feet and 3 inches. Just enter. Okay, one thing we will do, just take dimensions now and log the dimensions here again, and this dimension also will log. Now it was 5.5 inches. Just click here. Now click on this line and then we will change the dimension 5.5 inches. Press enter and now we will lock it. The same thing we will do here. It was 6 inches, so just click on this line and then 6 inches here, and now we will log this value also. Okay, now we'll click modify and finish edit mode here. Now see 3D and we will move a little upper. So extrusion start from -6 inches, apply, and you can see here we will cut the material. Now we will load into project. Override the existing version and its parameter values. Okay, and now we will see in 3D model. First we will go take section box here. Now click on the section box and just move down here. You can see inside, and now check it here. It's clear totally, and The sink has adjusted now. And other thing we will adjust, that is stair today. So click on level 1 again. I will remove this stair. Just click on modify, architecture tab, and now click on stair again. Here we can make stair our choice. Just click here, click again, and leave the mouse on other side. Then click here again and move again. Click again here, and once again we will take a distance and click here again. You can see a new style of stairs. So we will adjust. So now we will align the stairs now. Click on align feature. Click here. Same thing here. Just move a little now. Move down. These are three separate. Okay. Exit from there, and you can see a different type of stairs than earlier. For same thing we will do on the top. Remove these railings with this feature. Just use wireframe. Now adjust it here. Same from the top, and it's fine. Now you can see here. Just make it shaded now, and it's done. Now there is a little difference. We will adjust now. Again sketch. Choose wireframe and adjust it here. Yes, it's fine. Okay, press OK. And again shaded view. Yes, it's fine now. We can decrease this distance if you want. Thank you for watching today. See you tomorrow.